Hey, what is up, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about a course that I enrolled in a good 2.5 years ago. The course is called Master YouTube and has been put together by the YouTube legend Matt D'Avella.
Matt D'Avella.
Matt D'Avella. Matt D'Avella.
Matt D'Avella.
His name is Matt D'Avella.
Director, cinematographer, bar mitzvah video visual effects supervisor.
Hi, Matt.
Hi, hey, what's up?
If I clap my hands, he'll appear. Or we can even make a bit of sound effects.
Oh, was I supposed to clap too? Oh, cool. You got the whole crowd there.
Yeah,
the whole crowd. And I would just like to say, I knew you before you were YouTube famous.
Wow, I'm YouTube famous now?
You're YouTube
that
famous now.
So quick.
Now, there are so many courses out there and it's so easy to sign up with this buzzing feeling of excitement and then forget about it altogether. Because a lot of these online courses operate on a go at your own pace kind of basis. And without any deadline, well, what's the rush? I've started courses on Skillshare and even been roped into purchasing Masterclass, which requires an annual subscription. Not all, but a lot of these courses end up just sitting there unfinished. I've been thinking about why this may be, and I've pinned it down to 2 reasons. Number 1, course content. Courses from the likes of Masterclass kind of feel more like entertainment. A more wholesome form of entertainment, sure, but rather than being filled with practical tips and knowledge, they seem to cater more towards filling an inspirational kind of need. You watch one of these and feel really inspired, and then watch another one, and so on and so forth. Inspiration will only get you so far. To make any progress, you need to take action. Number 2, I've kind of touched on this already, but most of these courses operate on a go at your own pace kind of basis. And without any real deadline or accountability, it's really easy to fall off track. So that's where Matt's Master YouTube comes in. I'm convinced that if you're interested in entering the YouTube arena, there's no better bang for buck place to start. His content is really comprehensive, covering practical tips and key learnings from his 8 years on YouTube, where he's garnered nearly 4 million subscribers. So you're getting a combination of inspiration and also content that is really useful. And let's not forget the dad jokes. Sorry, Matt, you're a dad now. All your jokes are now dad jokes. It's just how it is.
And I've got to say that I got so good at diaper changes, I could do it blindfolded.
Then there's the big part of what differentiates this course when compared to all the others out there: community. You join a community with lifetime access. These are people who are all trying to build out their own little corners of the internet and who are facing the same insecurities and roadblocks that you may be. And then there's the fact that I enrolled in this course a good 2.5 years ago. Why am I talking about it now? Well, back when I enrolled, it was made clear to me that I would get lifetime updates. And I remember thinking, that's really handy, but how realistic is it that there'll ever actually be any updates? Well, Matt has just overhauled the course, including refilming significant parts of it. And it's good. I mean, really good. As it should be when you obsess so much over the main shot that you end up having to retake the entire thing all over again.
To recap, this was version number 1. It had barn door chic vibes, and I wasn't loving it. This was version 2 that I actually used to film the entire course with, but after editing it all together, I just hated how it turned out. It was just too dark, and I still wasn't loving the cabin lantern vibes. Let's look at the final shot. Drum roll, please. This is it. This is the shot. I am just so happy with how this shot came out, and there are a lot of details that went into getting this thing exactly how I wanted it.
Putting so much love into all these little details just shows you how much he really wants his course to be everything that it can be. No stone has been left unturned. So the only question left to answer is, will I see you in the community? Enrollment is limited and the next window opens on the 16th of October. I've put a link up top and in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but that changes nothing out of what I've just said. I really hope I'll see you there in the community, and I really look forward to seeing you finally give that dream a little bit more attention. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.